Hello everyone. Today we will talk about item analysis in test development and validation. So what this does is this helps us find out if a test question is too good, too easy, too hard, or just plain confusing. And of course, after a short lesson, we will answer 30 multiple choice questions to review what we have learned. So without further ado, let's go on with our short lesson. So first of all is the what is item analysis. There. What is item analysis? So item analysis is a process where we study students' answers to check the quality of each test question. This helps us improve exams and make them more fair, more balanced, and of course we can discover if we will have to change something in the test questions. Next is why is items analysis important? So this is important because it helps us find unclear or confusing questions, keep good questions, fix or remove weak questions, and of course make tests measure what students really learn. So that's all for our what is item analysis and what is item analysis important. Next is the three main parts of item analysis by Miss K. Jenny Blazo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Norcas. A good day, everyone. So, I will be discussing the three main parts of item analysis, and this helps teachers evaluate whether test questions are effective and appropriate for learners. So, for the first part is the difficulty index. This shows how easy or hard a question is based on how many students answered it correctly. And if many students got the right item, it is considered easy, and if only some students got it right, it has moderate difficulty. And if very few students answered correctly, the questions comes out to be difficult. So for the second part is the discrimination index. This tells us how well a question is distinguished between a high performing or low performing student. If a good question is answered correctly by students who studied and incorrectly by those who did not. So for the last is we have the distractor analysis. In multiple choice questions, the wrong options are called distractors. It is effective distractors that is believable that attracts students who are unsure of the correct answers. So if a distractor is never chosen, it may need to be revised or replaced. So those will be the three main parts of the item analysis. And to further check on our understanding, we will now proceed to the quiz portion where Mr. Lopez will now be showing to you the first few questions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jenny Blazo. Now, let us proceed to our quiz or examination. Of course, we will let us test your understanding. So, we will show you a 30 reviewer questions. Each question, the correct answer, and a short explanation will be explained. Now, let us proceed to number one. So, what is the purpose of item analysis? Letter A, to decorate exam. Letter B, to check questions quality. Letter C, to count paper. Or letter D, to grade teachers. Now, for number two, what part of item analysis tells us if a question is easy or hard? Letter A, discrimination. Letter B, difficulty of index. Letter C, scoring guide. Or letter D, reliability. Now, for the last question, before I show you the answers, number three, the question answered correctly by most students is difficult. Letter A, or B, moderate. Or letter C, easy. Or letter D, valid. Now, let us check the correct answer. For number one, the correct answer is letter B. Of course, we need to check the question quality or if the questions are working well. Number two, the correct answer is letter B, of course, the difficulty index, because difficulty index shows question hardness. And number three, the correct answer is letter C, because not a correct answer is always easy. Now, let us proceed to the next numbers. Number four, which one separates high and low scorers? Letter A, distractor. Letter B, validity. Letter C, discrimination index. Or letter D, test blue tick. Number five, wrong answer choices in a test are called A, scorecards. B, inputs. C, distractors. Or D, letter D, indicators. And for the number six, a good distractor should be A. Funny, B. Obvious, C. Believable, or D. Repeated. Now let us check the correct answers. Number 4, the correct answer is letter C, Discrimination Index. It measures how well the item separates the group. Number 5, correct answer is letter C, of course, the distractors. And now for the number 6, the correct answer is letter C. It should look like a possible answer. Okay, now let's proceed to number 7. No one chooses a distractor. It is letter A, effective, letter B, weak, letter C, perfect, or letter D, loud. Number 8, a very difficult item means A, many students got it right, letter B, only a few got it right, letter C, all guess, and letter D, no one tried. And for the last number, a good test usually has items that are letter A, too easy, letter B, too hard, letter C, moderate, or letter D, confusing. Now let us check the correct answer. For number 7, we have letter B. The correct answer is letter B because a distractor no one selects is not working. For number 8, the correct answer is letter B because two correct answers equals difficult. And lastly, for number 8, the correct answer is C because moderate difficulty gives balanced result. And that is all for me. So I will pass it now to Mr. Rasai to continue the quizzes or the questions.
And for the question number 10, if an item has negative discrimination, it means A, high scorer got it right, B, low scorers got it right, C, everyone got it right, and D, no one answered. And the correct answer is letter B, low scorers got it right. This signals a problem in the item. And for the next question, number 11, what is analyzed to perform item analysis? A. Student birthdays. B. Student handwritings. C. Student answers. And D. Students' height. And the correct answer is letter C. Student answers. We can use the actual test responses. Number 12. Which item should be revised? A. Good discrimination. B. Clear question. C. Distractor chosen often. D. Extremely confusing item. And the correct answer is letter D. Extremely confusing item. Confusing items needs revision. Number 13, the ideal discrimination index is A high, B low, C negative, D 0. And the correct answer is letter A, high. A higher discrimination is better. Number 14, if everyone answers correctly, the item is A, difficult, B, moderate, C, easy, D, invalid. And the correct answer is letter C, easy. Everyone got correct. Equals easy item. Number 15, a distractor that is chosen many times means A, it works well, B, it is wrong, C, it is confusing, and D, it is unnecessary. And the correct answer is letter A, it is works well. A chosen distractor show its function. So let number 16, the main goal of an item analysis is to A, make tests longer, B, remove all questions, C, improve test quality, and D, add more choices. And the correct answer is letter C, improve test quality. It aims to improve the test. Number 17, what does an item with good discrimination do? A, raises scores, B, lowers scores, C, separates strong and weak students, and letter D, confuses everyone. And the correct answer is letter C. It separates strong and weak students. It separates the performance level. Number 18, distractors helps identify A, students' habits, B, students' mistakes, C, students' family, D, students' hobbies. And the correct answer is letter B, students' mistakes. They shown common errors. Number 19, difficulty index uses A, number of test items, B, number of correct answers, C, class hours, and D, teacher's rating. And the correct answer is letter B, the number of correct answers. Number 20. Which item is best for learning measurement? A. Always correct. B. Moderate difficulty. C. Always wrong. And D. Random. And the correct answer is letter B. Moderate or difficult shows learning.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rasai. So let's proceed to the question number 21. A trick question usually leads to A. Higher validity, B. Lower discrimination, C. Better scores, D. Easy tests. And the correct answer will be B. Lower discrimination. Trick items confuse both groups. Let's proceed to number 22. A working distractor is A. Attractive to unsure students, B. Always ignored, C. Correct, D. Blank. And the correct answer will be A. Attractive to unsure students. Unsure students pick good distractors. Let's proceed to number 23. A test with many very easy items is A. Balanced, B. Too simple, C. Good for all, D. Accurate. And the correct answer will be B. Too simple. Too many easy items reduce accuracy. So let's proceed to number 24. Negative discrimination means A. Item is perfect, B. Is strong, C. Item is bad, D. Item is skipped. And the correct answer will be C. Item is bad. Negative, it means wrong functioning. So let's proceed to number 25. Which improves after item analysis? A. Classroom chairs, B. Test quality, C. Blackboard design, D. School logo. And the correct answer is B. Test quality. Test quality improves. So for the remaining questions, let's go ahead and proceed to Mr. Norca.
Thank you for that, Mrs. Jenny Blaso. And so now we will have the 25 to 30 questions. So for 25, which improves after an item analysis? Classroom chairs, desk quality, blackboard design, or school logo? So for 26, Distractor Analysis mainly checks how popular the teacher is, who chose the wrong answers, how long exam takes, and writing styles. And for 27, Low Difficulty Index means easy, moderate, hard, or fun. So for our answers, what would our answers be? So for 25, it would be test quality. So why did it become test quality? Well, simply it's because test quality improves. As it says, which improves after the analysis. So test quality improves. For 26, we will have B. It examines wrong choice patterns. The chapter analysis mainly checks wrong choice patterns. And for 27, low difficulty index means low difficulty or C, or difficult item, just hard. The index means hard. So now for our 28, 29, and 30 questions. For 28, high difficulty index means hard, easy, impossible, or wrong. 29 is item analysis is done before students take the test, after the test is answered, before writing the test, and during recess. And for 30, the final output of item analysis is updated test, new lesson plan, sitting chart, or more homework. So, for our answers, for 28, it would be B, easy. So why did it become easy? Well, simply put, high difficulty index means high difficulty or many got correct. For 29, we also selected B, or item analysis is done as it uses actual student answers. And 30, the final output of item analysis is that we revise a test based on result. So that's all for our questions and answers, of course. We will have now the closing remarks or closing to be passed on to Mr. Lopez. So, Mr. Lopez, take on the stage for us.
Okay, so that will be all for our quiz or examination or reviewer, which is hope you learned something from us. So thank you for watching our reviewer again on item analysis in test development and validation. Once again, thank you very much.